Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel, and today I am going to show you how to delete or deactivate your Instagram account. So let's dive in. The first thing you want to do is go ahead and launch your Instagram app. Go ahead and launch your Instagram app. Go to the profile page and click on the three dashes on the top of your screen. Then click on settings. Then the next thing you want to do is go ahead and click on account, and now you just want to go ahead and scroll down to the bottom of your page and you can see delete account. Now we have the deactivate or delete account. If you want to deactivate account, it's to temporarily block it from being viewed, and to delete your account is to permanently erase all the data from your account. So it's that easy. If you found this helpful, please be sure to leave a like, comment, and subscribe.